Hello! So welcome sa ating Cisco series tutorial. This is the first part ng ating tutorial. Pag-uusapan natin ano nga ba si Cisco, ano yung packet tracer, paano ito i-download, and lastly, magde-design tayo ng network using a peer-to-peer network. So let's start. This tutorial was requested by one of our subscriber, si Black Viper 2205. Sabi niya, "Sir, pwede pong request tutorial po sana sa Cisco. Thank you in advance." Well, Black Viper, congratulations, request granted. So, para makapag-download ng packet tracer, we'll now go to netacad.com, sa official website ng netacad. Then here, you can see a lot of incredible things. Pwede sa IoT, networking, or programming. So, kailangan natin si packet tracer. I-click lang yung icon and ma-observe natin dito that packet tracer nowadays is capable in running sa mga mobile devices natin. But for this tutorial, kailangan natin is yung sa laptop or desktop application. Now, once you click that learn more, makikita natin dito that netacad is offering a 10 hours tutorial and free. That's a good thing, libre yung tutorial o yung course. Then it's for beginners and self-paced yung tutorial na yon. Then just click sign up. I-fill out lang yung form such as first name, last name, and then your email. And once na nakapag-sign up ka na, just click to the login button and then just type in your username or your email address together with your password. So then, once na nag-login na, you just need to go to resources and then click download packet tracer. The latest version of packet tracer is 7.3.1 and because I'm using 64-bit operating system, kukunin natin yung sa 64-bit. And by the way, ang version na ng Cisco natin ngayon is 7.0. Okay? So ano nga ba si Cisco? It's a worldwide leader pagdating sa IT and networking. Hindi yung Cisco na bus na sinasakyan natin. So just click download and then hintayin nyo lang matapos yung download. So depende sa internet speed kung gaano katagal ma-download yung packet tracer. Since I already installed it, just click Cisco packet tracer sa start. And good thing with the new version nung Cisco packet tracer natin is meron na siyang keep me logged in button doon. Dati kasi pag open mo, every now and then, tinatype mo yung username and password mo. So ngayon, because of the new update, pwede nang masave yung username mo or together with your password para hindi mo na tinatype pa ulit-ulit. So upon signing in sa packet tracer, ayan, welcome sa ating playground. So this is the Cisco packet tracer IDE or environment. We have now the menu bar. Most of the applications, yung menu bar. Then we have the toolbars. Yan, may undo, zoom, redo, and then yung common tools natin such as select, inspect, note, ayan, draw rectangle, yung pag-add ng ping, the add simple PDU, then the logical workplace or physical workplace kung gusto mo mag-switch. Then we have here now yung simulation and the real-time toolbar. So mamaya gagamitin natin yan. Then next is yung time, kung ilang oras na nagra-run or nag-lapse yung packet tracer. Then this is the packet status natin, kung ano ba yung status ng ping, is it either successful or failed, sino yung source, sino yung destination. Then ito yung pinaka-importante, yung network devices toolbar natin or toolbox. So nandito lahat, switch, hub, servers, access point, router, yan, pati firewall, even computer, laptop, TV, smartphone, mga IoT devices, sensors, ayan, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything na pwede mong gamitin for IoT is available together with the Arduino board and then yung mga connections, yung mga kable. So dito, we have here yung console cable, yung gagamitin natin mamaya, straight through, and then crossover. Now, if you want to use or connect router to router, these are our serial cable. Now, for this tutorial, ang first na gagawin natin is PC to PC. So, para mag-add ng PC, ida-drag lang natin sila sa workplace. Then, since same device, kailangan natin ng crossover cable. Yung take to PC, hanapin lang yung fast Ethernet for LAN cable or LAN connection. Then, you observe now sa workplace natin na merong interface na nakalagay. So, paano makikita yon kung wala siya sa inyo? Just click Options, Preferences, and i-check lang yung Allow Show Port Labels para makita kung saan interface nakasaksak yung mga kable natin. Next, we will now configure yung IP address ng desktop. So, just click Configure and then Static. We will be using 20.20.20.20.1 here. And then yung subnet mask, huwag nyo muna siyang intindihin for this tutorial. Pero subnet mask is important sa mga susunod na tutorial natin. Then para hindi ka malito, for housekeeping, maglalagay tayo ng label. So click the notes, magdadagdag tayo. Ili-label lang natin kung ano yung IP address ng PC na yon. This is very important lalo na pag malaki yung network na mini-maintain mo, para hindi ka nanguhula ng mga IP addresses. So, copy lang natin yung note na yon. Then, we'll just click to that one and change it to 2 yung IP address. Now, do the same thing na ginawa natin sa PC0 kay PC1. So, example, gagayahin natin yung IP address ni PC1 or PC0. You will observe here na already used. Ganyan kagaling yung packet tracer natin. Madidetermine niya kung may duplicate na IP address o wala. So once na na-click na, itap mo lang yung cursor mo, itapat mo lang sa PC. Then you will see the information kung ano yung current IP address niya together with the subnet mask. So that's it. Nakakonect na si PC0 at si PC1. Now let's try the connection by typing ping sa CMD and then yung IP address na gusto nating i-ping. Then you can see here, mayroong reply, 4 na packets, successful lahat. So, connected na. Now, if you want to see kung paano ba nangyayari yung ping na yon, paano nagsasend ng message yung isang PC or isang device to another, we will use simulation. So, magsasend tayo ng simple PDU from PC0 and PC1 and then i-click mo lang yung play. So, makikita natin, nagta-travel yung packet from PC0 to PC1. And then yung protocol, makikita natin is ICMP. Ayan. So from PC0, PC1, PC1 to PC0. Okay, so i-delete natin. Now, what if, sir, gusto kong 4 or maraming devices? So syempre, kailangan natin ng tulong ng ating mga intermediary devices, yung mga network devices natin, such as switch. So then maglalagay tayo ng PC. For this example, 4 yung ilalagay natin. So kanina crossover because PC to PC. This time, since may switch na involved, ang kailangan natin is straight through. Basta tandaan nyo, kapag same device, crossover. Pag different device, yun yung straight through. So makikita nyo ngayon, ang daming port ng ating switch. So this switch, yung 2960 is a 24 ports, meron siyang 24 na fast Ethernet and meron siyang 2 Giga Ethernet. Ang pinagkaiba nung fast Ethernet tsaka Giga Ethernet is yung speed. Fast Ethernet is yung speed niya up to 100 Mbps. Giga Ethernet is up to 1 gigabit per second or depende. Next, makikita natin na orange ngayon. Kanina, it means nagle-listen, nag-establish pa ng connection yung router ay yung switch. Then, i-fast forward time mo lang so that makapag-establish na siya ng connection from the other devices. So, lalagyan natin ng IP address yung PC, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina. Then, we will put notes or label. Make it a habit na dinalagyan nyo na ng label yung mga devices nyo. Pero hindi naman siya mag-error kung wala yan. Ayan. magra-run pa rin kung tama yung configuration natin. Then we'll do the same configuration kay PC1, PC2, PC3, and PC4. Again, make sure walang pare-parehong IP addresses, and dapat yung subnet mask, kung anong subnet mask nung isa, ganun yung subnet mask ng iba if same network. On the latter series or part ng series natin, pag-uusapan natin yung subnet mask. Now, magsisend tayo ng PDU. So you observe here, hindi lang siya ICMP. Dahil may involved na switch, yung protocol natin naging ARP na. Yung ARP is Address Resolution Protocol. Dalawa na yung tinitingnan ngayon ng switch natin, IP address plus yung MAC address. So dahil marami ng involved na device, magsisend muna ng packet si PC2, then si switch magbo-broadcast siya. Kunwari, kayong lahat ng device na nakakonect sa akin, sino tong merong MAC address na ganito or IP address, and then you observe kanina hindi nag-reply or nag-respond si PC3 or PC4 kasi nga hindi para sa kanila yung packet. Si PC5 lang yung nag-reply. Then kapag na-establish na yun at na-determine na kung existing ba yung MAC address na yun sa network, magsisend ngayon na ng ICMP si PC2 papunta kay PC5. So to test it sa other way kung paano mag-ping, punta lang sa command line or sa command prompt, then type cmd, then type ping 50.50.50.4. So try natin si .5. Dahil wala namang 5 na IP address na involved sa network, you will receive a reply or response na timeout. Same thing kapag nawawalan ka ng connection, ganun. Ibig sabihin hindi na nag-reply yung Google or Facebook. So now we want to add a router. So click lang natin yung router doon. And then tingnan natin yung interface ng switch or yung physical view niya. Ito yung mga LED indicators. Ayan yung mga ports. Giga Ethernet, yung dalawang yun. Then for router, yung 1941. Ganyan na ganyan yung itsura ng likod niya sa totoong device or actual devices natin. So again, router and switch are different device. We will use straight through. This time, dalawa yung option natin dahil dalawa yung gigabit port ni router. So para pantay yung speed sa switch, dun tayo sa fast Ethernet. Fast forward natin, you observe here red pa rin. Ibig sabihin, by default, yung port ng G001 ni router naka-off. So paano i-configure yan? You can click sa packet tracer and then go to CLI. I-zoom or i-adjust natin yung font para mabasa nyo. Go to options, preferences, fonts, and then i-enlarge natin yung font size ng command line para mas readable sa inyo. Now, let's go back here. Makikita natin na ito yung CLI or yung command line ni router. Pero sa totoong buhay, walang ganyan. Hindi mo pwedeng i-click si router. So, tingnan muna natin paano nag-ooperate si router. So, we have the power button. Kapag in-on mo siya ulit, ayan, nagbo-boot siya. Matagal yon sa totoong buhay. It's either 5 or 30 seconds. Then, ayan na. Nandyan na tayo ngayon sa user execution mode. I-close natin. In real life situation, we need a console cable and then i-click yung PC or laptop mo. Dapat meron siyang RS232 na port. Yun yung console port. Serial siya sa likod ng PC. Yung mga laptop ngayon wala ng serial port. So merong way para gamit ka ng USB to serial cable. Ayan, RS232. Yung mga desktop PC before merong mga serial cable, serial port sa likod. So pag meron ka na, mag-open tayo ng software, third party software. It's either PuTTY or Hyperterminal. Then, click mo lang yun. Nakapasok ka na ngayon sa ating router. So, this interface indicates that nasa user execution mode tayo. So, kung hindi mo alam yung mga commands, you press a question mark, automatic may feature na ganun yung mga routers. And it will give you the list of commands na pwede mong gamitin under that mode. So, here we'll be using enable and observe that na yung interface natin nagbago from greater than symbol naging hashtag. So question mark, dahil nasa loob ka na ngayon ng privilege mode, meron ka ng bagong set of commands na pwedeng magamit. Okay? So yan. Then exit tayo if you want to go back to the previous mode, user exec mode. So para pumasok, we can use E or enable. Here, pinakita ko kung bakit hindi pwede si E, ambiguous, because there are two commands that starts with letter E. So may shortcut sa mga commands. You can type EN for enable. Pareho lang yun. Ngayon, para sigurado na enable, meron ding tip kung paano i-type. EN and then press the tab key sa keyboard. Makukumpleto yung command if ever na wala siyang kamukha. Just like what I'm doing now. Ayan. And then, papasok na tayo ngayon sa global configuration, which is configure terminal. Then makikita natin yung changes doon sa interface natin from router na may greater than symbol na mayroong hashtag and then config. Since nasa interface G00 tayo, gigabit, para makapasok doon, we need to type interface G00. So exit, ayan, kanina may if indication na nasa loob ka ng isang interface. So pag nag-question mark ka, may iba na namang set of commands. So every interface, every mode, ibang set of commands. For this tutorial, gagamit tayo ng IP version 4. So meron ding isa which is IPv6. Hindi muna natin siya gagamitin. So to add IP address, you need to type IP address and then kung ano yung IP address na gusto mo na i-assign sa ating router. Then space yung subnet mask. Oops, ayan. So mali. So 255.255.0. Saan natin nakuha yan? Ayan, doon sa mga PC din. Okay? So dapat parehong-pareho para mag-connect sa network. So papalitan natin yung label. I-treat nyo yung IP address guys as bahay nyo. Walang kamuka. And then the subnet mask is yung purok o yung zone o street. So sa isang purok maraming bahay. Pero yung IP address isa lang. Now press enter kung tama na. And then you observe now, parang walang nangyari, naka-red pa rin yung status ng cable natin. It's because yung port hindi pa naka-on. So para i-on, you type no shutdown. Then makikita natin yung message, naka-up na yung link. So ibig sabihin, naka-on na yung port natin, we can now ping a device. So basically, naka-failed kasi nga nag-establish pa ng connection. Pero double click mo lang yung fire to refresh yung ping and magsa-successful na. So pag in-off mo nyan, just type shutdown to turn off the port, magre-red ulit. So sa switch, importante na in-off yung port lalo na pag marami, pag hindi ginagamit. That's one way to secure our network. Yan. So no shutdown, i-up natin, and then fast forward, magpiping tayo ulit. You can now ping each devices sa network natin. Okay? So with that, thank you very much. I hope may natutunan kayo.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.